This is the Mountfield HP185. This is a 45cm cutting width machine. This machine is powered by a Briggs & Stratton 125cc overhead valve engine. It's a 4-stroke engine, so it only requires fuel in the fuel tank. If we turn the machine round, you can see on the side we have a primer button. All you need to do is prime the machine, pull the cord, and away you go. Quick, simple, easy starting machine. The machine has a single point height of cut adjustment system, literally from 20 to 65mm over 5 settings. So as you can see at the moment, the machine's set up so it's cutting the grass and throwing the grass into the grass box. We can remove the grass box like so, drop down the rear flap. Now it's going to cut the grass and throw it straight out the back of the machine. So it's really good if we've got long grass that we want to get down under control but without collecting it. Also, the machine comes with a mulching plug. The mulching plug will fit straight into the back of the machine, like so. So now the machine's set up as a mulching mower, so it will give you a nice collected finish without collecting the grass. A great feature on this machine is its large 55-litre grass collector.
For peace of mind, this machine, subject to annual servicing, has 2 years manufacturer's warranty, and as such is supported by the ServiceLink helpline and over 600 ServiceLink approved dealers across the UK and Ireland. These ServiceLink dealers will happily carry out any warranty needs and ongoing maintenance required.